Yes, hello members. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to discuss something very interesting, and it is called Chat GPT. Chat GPT, this is a platform. It's more of a software. It's more of a website anyway, not a software, that helps researchers, students in courseworks and researching informations which are very essential. So this website helps you to Google. It gives you summarized, detailed based on how you have instructed it. So how do we use this website? ChatGPT, you need to go to you browse sites like Chrome's, like for example here, Chrome's. Then you need to open your Chrome's, the browse website like this. Then you click here AI Chat GPT. So like take for example mine is here. Let's see how to go about it. AI Chat GPT. So it has already brought even AI Chat GPT. So after opening, it will bring for you something like this. AI, you are seeing Chat GPT. So you have to click on that Chat GPT. Yes, after clicking here, it has already opened. The most interesting part, this thing, you can even attach a PowerPoint presentation for it to explain to you if you're not understanding. That's why if you click here, it will tell you to add photos, files, you can create images, you can do a number of things. You can even click and let's say I want to know more about Uganda. I want to know more about Uganda. So it will bring for you all the essential information about Uganda summarized in a summarized form. That's how ChatGPT it's interesting. It is really simplifying research. It is really simplifying courseworks for students. It gives you real informations you really wanted. So from here, you can even copy and paste and put your thing in Word and store it. So you can either read it just from online here and you log out. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like so that we meet in the next video. Thank you.